In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Asana in Outlook. Whether you're a project manager juggling multiple tasks or someone looking to streamline your workflow, integrating Asana with Outlook can make managing projects a breeze. Let's dive right into it. To get started, first, you'll want to head over to Asana's website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Asana homepage, which serves as the hub for all your project-related activities. This is where you'll manage your projects, tasks, and see what's on your plate for the day. On your homepage, you will notice a list of various projects that you've been working on or are associated with. From here, click on any one of those projects that you'd like to connect with Outlook. This action will open up that project, unveiling specific options tailored to enhance its functionality. As you navigate through the project interface, look for the Customize button. By clicking on this button, you'll reveal a selection of customization features that are available to enrich your project's capabilities. Among the different options presented, you will need to click on Apps. Integrating applications at this stage is a strategic move to expand the capabilities of your project management tool. Next, click on the Add button. This step is critical as it allows you to explore various apps that can seamlessly integrate with Asana, enabling a more robust project management experience. As you're browsing through the list of available apps, locate and select Outlook Email. This selection will direct you to the Outlook Email integration page. With this connection, managing tasks and communications between Asana and Outlook becomes a seamless experience, preventing any communication gaps. After you've selected Outlook Email, proceed by clicking on Add to Project. This is a pivotal point where the integration really begins to take form. Following this, you will be required to click on Connect to Outlook Email. This step is crucial as it will prompt you to authorize the connection between your Asana and Outlook accounts. It's important to follow the on-screen prompts that appear as they will guide you through the necessary steps to complete the setup. Typically, this involves granting necessary permissions and confirming that you allow Asana and Outlook to communicate with each other. Once you've completed all these steps, you should now have successfully linked your Asana project with Outlook. This straightforward integration is a great way to synchronize tasks and streamline your workflow, allowing for a more efficient project management process. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on how to maximize your productivity with tech integrations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.